Hello students, welcome to Sharasa's classes. Today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. We have question number 34 in hand. This is a multiple select question. So in question 34 we have choose the correct answer or answers with respect to the magnesium EDTA titration carried out in the pH range 7 to 10.5 using solochrome black as indicator. So we have 4 options given to us and one or more of these options can be our answer because this is a multiple select question. So basically we have magnesium EDTA titration, so this is a complexometric titration, and solochrome black is actually well known as the areochrome black tea indicator or the EBT indicator. So solochrome black is actually EBT indicator, and we have to perform a complexometric titration and we have magnesium EDTA titration. So this is basically hardness determination, hardness of water determination titration. So the hardness of water arises due to the presence of Mg2 plus ions or Ca2 plus ions in water. So that's why magnesium EDTA titration. So the compounds we will use are first areochrome black tea or EBT indicator, and the second will be EDTA or ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. So in complexometric titrations, in order to determine hardness of water, what we do is first we give the sample EBT indicator, as a result of which the sample changes color from blue to red, because the EBT indicator forms a complex with Mg2 plus, which results in a change in color from blue to red, and then when we give EDTA, when EDTA is given, then since the EDTA ion complex, EDTA Mg2 plus ion complex is more stable, this is stability order, than the Mg2 plus EBT complex. So what happens is that the Mg2 plus in this complex breaks from the complex and forms a complex with EDTA. So we get another color change, and this color change is from red to blue, and this blue color arises due to the presence of the EBT indicator. So, and the pH range is between 7 to 10.5. So basically what we have is, referring to the options, option number A says that magnesium indicator complex is more stable than the magnesium EDTA complex, and we have said that the option number A, B, C or D, among these 4 any one or more can be correct. So now we know that the magnesium indicator complex is not more stable than the magnesium EDTA complex, because first the magnesium forms complex with EBT, and this paves way to the new complex, which is Mg2 plus EDTA complex, since this complex is more stable than the magnesium EBT complex. So option number A is incorrect definitely. And B, we have at end point the color changes from red to blue, and we have seen that at end point the color changes from red to blue because the EDTA complex forms instead of the EBT complex, and the EBT breaks out from the Mg2 plus EBT complex and stays back in the solution, so the color turns blue at the end point. So option number B is definitely correct. And C says at the end point the color of the solution is due to the indicator, which is again true because it is EBT presence in the solution which gives the color. And D says the pH range of 7 to 10.5 is necessary for observing the specific color change, and this is also true. We need a basic medium in order to observe this color change. So answer is option number B, C and D. So this is the answer, and the only one incorrect is option number A. So answer is B, C and D. Thank you.